Tonight, we celebrate ACEC New York's 46th Engineering Excellence Awards, while also recognizing the excellence of our public partners and our future engineers. The projects you will see this evening recognize the great achievements of New York's consulting engineers. Great achievements come not only from design, but from the partnerships we forge with our clients and the work that we all do together with engineers, clients, and contractors. The result is a better quality of life for all of us in the buildings in which we work and live, the water we drink, the roads and bridges on which we drive, or the subways we ride. Each year, the projects get more complex and require more ingenuity, requiring our engineers to stay current with new technologies to meet the needs of their clients. The projects honored tonight show the commitment, integrity, creativity, and professionalism that permeates the engineering industry. A distinguished panel of judges reviewed nearly 120 projects for their originality, technical value, social and economic considerations, and complexity. Their deliberations resulted in the awards being given out tonight, including the Empire Award, which goes to the best designed and built project wholly within New York State. Please join ACEC New York in recognizing our Silver Award winners.
The following projects have won Silver Awards. HDR, and the client is New York City Department of Transportation.
Parsons Brinckerhoff, and the client is New York City Economic Development Corporation.
Dewberry, and the client is The Pike Company.
Hex Engineers, Architects, and Land Surveyors, and the client is New York City Housing Authority.
Wendell Ducher Architects and Engineers, and the client is New York State Office of Parks, Recreation, and Historic Preservation.
Pathfinder Engineers and Architects, and the client is Wayne Finger Lakes BOCES.
Wendell Ducher Architects and Engineers, and the client is Seneca Nation of Indians.
CNS Companies, and the client is United States Fish and Wildlife Services.
Arup, and the client is Hyundai Development Company.
Moffett and Nickel, and the client is Sims Municipal Recycling.
Tectonic Engineering and Surveying Consultants, and the client is New York City Department of Design and Construction.
Tectonic Engineering and Surveying Consultants, and the client is Silverstein Properties. Labella Associates, and the client is City of Rochester.
Ecology and Environment Engineering, and the client is New York State Department of Transportation.
Wendell Ducher Architects and Engineers, and the client is Town of Amherst.
P.W. Grosser Consulting Engineer and Hydrogeologist, and the client is Water Authority of Great Neck North.
Erdman Anthony, and the client is Erie County Water Authority. KS Engineers, and the client is New York City Department of Design and Construction.
Parsons Brinckerhoff, and the client is Skanska USA Civil Southeast.
Sam Schwartz Engineering, and the client is Forest City Ratner Companies.
VHB Engineering, Surveying and Landscape Architecture, and the client is Town of Huntington.
Parsons Brinckerhoff, and the client is Niagara Frontier Transportation Authority.
Stantec Consulting Services, and the client is New Jersey Department of Transportation.
CNS Companies, and the client is Onondaga Community College.
Sam Schwartz Engineering, and the client is MTA Capital Construction.
The RBA Group, and the client is Nassau Community College.
Tectonic Engineering and Surveying Consultants, and the client is the Whiting Turner Contracting Company.
CDM Smith, and the client is the City of Schenectady.